Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. How are you today, Peter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, good to know that. Can
No.
you tell me what did you do today? What did you do
Um,
today, Peter? Did you play football?
no.
Oh no, you did not. Okay, so I believe you just stayed at home and maybe rest or watch something on TV. Did you eat your dinner already?
No.
Are you hungry now, Peter?
No.
Oh, wait, why can't I hear you clearly?
I don't understand.
Wait for a moment, Peter. Let me translate it for you.
Tôi không nghe rõ bạn nói gì.
Uh,
Um, can you louder your voice? Okay, because I can't hear you that well, Peter. Okay, so now let us start. Can you tell me again what it means when we say food?
it's it's
It's what is food, Peter?
um is
We have talked about this one yesterday, right? Can you still remember it? When we say food,
uh, it's is is meat.
okay, so again, Peter, when we say food, these are the things that people or animals eat. Okay, so if you can't define a certain word, Peter, you can give me examples of it. For example, food. It's like spaghetti, buncha, bangi, pho. Okay, now next one, we also have passenger. What is passenger?
Passenger is uh, internet.
Internet?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when we say passenger, Peter, it is different to internet because a passenger, it is a person in a car, bus, or plane who is not driving. Okay? A person who rides on a certain um vehicle.
Hành khách,
Okay.
Passenger. Okay, that is it. It is different, Peter. Now, next one, what about drink?
Um, Drawing um is not food.
Okay, yes, it is not food because when we say drink, it is a liquid, Peter, taken into the body through the mouth. Like, for example, we have milk tea, coffee, juice, water, soda. Okay, so that is drink or drinks. Now, what about flight attendant? Flight attendant.
I don't know.
Okay, so now I will translate it for you, Peter, and I want you to try to speak out your ideas in English.
Tiếp viên hàng không.
Okay.
What is it, Peter?
Is is um is not a pilot.
Okay, yes, it is a person who works on a plane but not a pilot. Okay, so it's the person who helps passengers on the plane. Okay, like for example, in looking after passengers or handing out some snacks. Okay, that is flight attendant. What about pilot?
It's not a flight attendant.
Okay, of course, not a flight attendant, Peter, because a pilot is the one who flies the plane. Okay, a pilot is a person who flies the planes, Peter. Like, for example, he wants to become a pilot. Do you want to become a pilot, Peter? Do you want to be?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, that would be cool, Peter. Hopefully one day. Okay, no one knows. Okay, now next one we as well have seat.
I don't know.
Okay, wait. This is an easy one, actually, Peter.
Ghế.
Okay, what is it?
Uh,
It's the same as?
um,
It's the same as? What? What is that? There. Right?
yes.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Peter. It is where you sit on a plane. Okay, so we can call it seat or chair. Okay, so next one now. Okay, we have in-flight entertainment. Okay, this is a little long. What is an in-flight entertainment?
I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say in-flight entertainment, Peter, this refers to the movies, music, games, and many more that you can do or you can enjoy on an airplane. Okay,
Okay.
that is in-flight entertainment, the things that you can do.
Giải trí trên máy bay.
And enjoy while you are on a plane. In-flight entertainment, like movies. You can watch a movie, you can listen to music, you can play some games. Okay, now last one. What about ticket?
Ticket is I don't know.
Okay, so now a ticket, Peter, it is the paper, okay, or the pass to get on the plane or to certain places. It is a document that shows you have paid to go somewhere or to do something. Okay, wait, let me show it to you. Ticket.
Vé.
Okay.
Okay, so that is it, Peter. Thank you so much. Now let us practice, and in here you have to tell me which of the vocabulary items are objects and which are people. Okay, so now when we say food, Peter, what is it?
Is been meat.
Okay, yes, it is an object. Okay, object. What about passenger? Passenger.
Passenger. Mm. Person.
Okay, very good. What about drink?
Is object.
Very good. Flight attendant.
Is person.
Very good, Peter. Pilot.
Person.
Seat.
Is object.
Okay, very good. In-flight entertainment.
Object.
Ticket.
Object.
Okay, yes. Correct answers. Thank you so much for that. Now let us proceed to exercise 3 more vocabulary. Okay, so listen and repeat these words with me. Now let us start with the word crowded. Okay, so you know this one. What is crowded, Peter?
Is a lot people. Is a lot of people.
Okay, yes, that is correct. People, a certain place is full of people. Okay, jam-packed. Okay, having too many people. Like, for example, the bar gets very crowded during happy hour. Okay, do you like going to crowded places, Peter?
No.
Oh no, you don't. I see. So you are a very shy type kind of person. Now, next one, we have enjoyable.
Valuable. Is
It's
I don't know.
okay, like for example, going to the beach is really enjoyable. What does it mean?
Uh, um, I don't know.
Okay, so that's fine. When we say enjoyable, Peter, it is causing happiness or pleasure. So, which means going to the beach is fun. Okay, it's fun. It's making you happy, Peter. It's enjoyable. Like, for example, you might find playing football enjoyable. Okay, it makes you happy, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now what about fine? Fine.
Um, it's not bad.
Not what?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Is uh
Fine. How are you? I'm fine. So fine means
is um not
not.
not I don't know.
Okay, that's fine, Peter. Now, when we say fine, it means it's okay. It's good. Okay, you're happy. You are well. I am fine. You are not ill. You are okay, Peter. You are feeling well or good. Okay, fine. Like, for example, how are you? I'm fine, which means I'm happy. I'm good. Okay.
Okay.
Next one now, what about long?
It's not short.
Okay, it's not short. Okay, so it is lasting or taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time. Long. Now, what about awful?
I don't know.
Okay, like for example, the food is awful, which means the food is very bad. Okay, it's
Um,
very bad, extremely bad, Peter. You don't like it. It doesn't meet your expectations. Okay, like for example, I had an awful time at last night's party. Okay, so which means you did not enjoy it at all. Okay, so that is awful. Now, what about tiring?
is tired.
Okay, tired. Okay, so when we say tiring, Peter, it is making one feel the need to sleep or rest. What can you say about today? Are you feeling tired?
No.
Oh no, you're not. Okay, good thing, Peter. Good thing. Like, for example, working 10-hour days is very tiring. What makes you feel tired, Peter? What makes you
Uh,
tired?
um, Look.
Wait, let me translate it. What makes you feel tired?
Điều gì khiến bạn
Is
cảm thấy mệt mỏi?
study.
Why? Why studying?
Because
Because?
because study
Well, we are learning now, Peter. We are studying now. Do you mean you are tired right now?
no.
Oh no.
Is
What?
I study every day.
How many
Um,
subjects do you have to study?
uh,
How
I
many
don't know.
subjects? Oh, you don't know. Okay. So aside from English class, Peter, which is my class, what other class do you have?
Um, for
What
for
other what other subjects do you have, Peter? You have English class. What else?
um math,
Math class.
um uh history, um uh, uh
Okay, just those three.
no, it's very, it's a lot of,
Oh, a lot more.
it's a lot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand, Peter. It's really tiring if you don't have time to relax or do the things that you like. Okay, but yeah, I think your parents has your parents have their reasons as well for this, Peter. Okay, so now let us continue. Can you tell me what is uncomfortable?
Um, I don't know.
Okay, so when we say uncomfortable, Peter, it means you are not feeling relaxed. You are not at ease, Peter. Wait,
Khó chịu.
Okay.
like for example, since you told me earlier that you don't like being surrounded by a lot of people, maybe you find it uncomfortable to go to public places or crowded places, Peter. Okay, uncomfortable. Now, what about horrible?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say horrible, Peter, it means it is very bad. Okay, it's extremely bad. It's just similar to awful. Like, for example, the food at this restaurant is horrible. Or you can as well say the food at this restaurant is awful. They mean the same thing, which means it's very bad. Okay?
Okay.
So, yes. Next, so let us practice and in here you have to tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. So when we say crowded, Peter, is it positive or negative?
Is negative.
Oh, okay. So since you don't like being surrounded by a lot of people, it's negative for you. Okay. What about enjoyable?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. What about fine?
Uh, By is positive.
Long.
Is positive.
Okay, yeah, it could be positive, Peter, but as well as it could be negative. It depends on the situation. What about awful?
Um, is negative.
Okay, it's negative. What about tiring?
Is negative.
Uncomfortable.
Positive.
Is it positive? You don't feel relaxed, Peter. You feel uneasy, uncomfortable.
Khó
Is
chịu.
Okay, it is negative. Okay, what about horrible?
negative.
Okay, yes, it is negative as well. Thank you so much for that, Peter. Okay, so now since we're done with this, then let us have exercise 4. Okay, so read this one with me, Peter, and I hope you'll be able to answer the 3 questions to check your understanding. Okay, so now let us start. When was the last time you flew, Walter?
The last time I flew was about a year ago. I went to Paris.
Was it a long flight?
Yes, it was about 14 hours.
How was the flight?
It was horrible.
Well, that's no good. Why was it bad?
Uh, it was long and the seats were small, so it was very uncomfortable. I didn't sleep at all. Oh, and the food was awful too.
Was there anything you did enjoy about the flight?
The in-flight inter
Entertainment.
was okay. There were some good movie to watch, and the flight attendants were very friendly.
Okay, well, read, Peter. Let us check your understanding directly. When was the last time Walter flew?
Um, it's a year ago.
Okay, very good. How long was Walter's flight to Paris?
I don't know.
Okay, so it was
Was long flight. It's uh 40 14 hours.
okay. And what did Walter enjoy about the flight?
It's um uh, and I don't know.
Okay, so can you tell me now? What did he enjoy about the flight?
The in-flight entertainment
Okay,
was
the in-flight and
there were some good movie to watch, and the flight attendants were very friendly.
okay, yes, that is right, Peter. So, what he enjoyed about his flight is the in-flight entertainment and friendly flight attendants. Okay, now I believe that is all it for our class today. Peter, thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye, Peter. You look so handsome. Goodbye.